Well, simula na naman ang PVL ngayong 2026 at syempre, ibibigay natin agad ang game schedule simula January 31 hanggang March 21, 2026. At saan nga ba ang venue at anong oras ang mga laban, kaya tapusin nyo ang video para wala kayong makiligtaan, especially ang mga favorite teams nyo. Kaya bago natin ibigay guys, please naman huwag nyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe, and pa-hit the notification bell for more Philippines volleyball updates, especially PVL schedule today. Kaya guys, subscribe na and pa-like and pa-share ng video. Thank you very much. Total nga ng teams ngayon sa PVL na paparating ay 10 teams kung saan nabawasan ng dalawa. Ito nga ay ang Petrogas Angels at Charity Go Crossovers kung saan ang mga players nila ay napunta sa iba't ibang team sa PVL ngayon na lalong nagpalakas, especially sa mga dating mahihirang team. Kaya naman ngayon, syempre, wag na po natin patagalin pa. Ibigay na natin ang schedule simula January 31 hanggang March 21, 2026. Narito po, schedule January 31. Ang venue ay sa PhilOil Eco-Oil Center. Unang magtatapatan, Galleries Tower High Racers versus Signal Super Spikers 4 p.m. Susundan naman ito 6:30 p.m. Akari Power Chargers versus Chocomucho Flying Titans. Yan po ang opening day sa January 31. At syempre, second game naman magaganap nga February 3, 2026 sa PhilOil Eco-Oil Center. Ang unang harapan ay Farm Fresh Foxes versus NX LED 4 p.m. Susundan ng Sauce Coffee Thunderbells versus Solar Spikers 6:30 p.m. Sa third day naman ay talagang magaganap February 5, 2026. Unang maghaharap ay ang Chocomucho Flying Titans versus Signal Super Spikers 4 p.m. Susundan Kremlin Cruel Smashers versus PLDT High Speed Hitters 6:30 p.m. Next game magaganap February 7, 2026. Wala pang venue at mag-a-update agad ako kasi to be arranged pa. Ngunit ang magtatapatan dito ay ang Galleries Tower High Racers versus Sauce Coffee Thunderbells 4 p.m. at Capital One Solar Spikers naman versus NX LED Chameleon 6:30 p.m. Syempre, sunod na game naman magaganap February 10, 2026 at ang venue ay sa Mall of Asia Arena. Unang magtatapatan ay ang Farm Fresh Foxes versus Signal Super Spikers 4 p.m. Susundan, Kremlin Cool Smashers versus Chocomucho Flying Titans 6:30 p.m. Next game naman magaganap February 12, 2026 at ang venue nito ay sa PhilOil Eco-Oil Center. Unang magtatapatan PLDT High Speed Hitters versus Capital One Solar Spikers 4 p.m. Susundan 6:30 p.m. Sauce Coffee Thunderbells versus Akari Power Chargers. Next game nga ay February 14, araw ng mga puso. Wala pang venue ito, kaya abangan nyo na rin din. At syempre, unang magtatapatan Galleries Tower High Racers versus Farm Fresh Foxes 4 p.m. at Signal Super Spikers versus NX LED Chameleon 6:30 p.m. Sunod na game nga ay magaganap February 17, 2026 at ang venue ay sa PhilOil Eco-Oil Center. Una maghaharap, Chocomucho Flying Titans versus Capital One Solar Spikers 4 p.m. Susundan 6:30 p.m. Kremlin Cool Smashers versus Sauce Cafe Thunderbells. Next game magaganap February 19, 2026, venue PhilOil Eco-Oil Center. Unang tapatan Akari Chargers versus PLDT High Speed Hitters 4 p.m. Susundan 6:30 p.m. NX LED Chameleon versus Galleries Tower High Racers. Next game February 21, 2026, PhilOil Eco-Oil Center ang venue. Unang tapatan Kremlin Cool Smashers versus Capital One Solar Spikers 4 p.m. Susundan 6:30 p.m. Sauce Coffee Thunderbells versus Farm Fresh Foxes. Ang next game magaganap nga February 24, 2026, PhilOil Eco-Oil Center ang venue. Unang tapatan Akari Power Chargers versus NX LED Chameleon 4 p.m. Susundan 6:30 p.m. Signal Super Spikers versus PLDT High Speed Hitters. Next game magaganap February 26, 2026. Unang tapatan Capital One Solar Spikers versus Farm Fresh Foxes 4 p.m. Susundan 6:30 p.m. Chocomucho Flying Titans versus Galleries Tower High Racers. Next game February 28, 2026, PhilOil Eco-Oil Center ang venue. Unang magtatapatan Signal Super Spikers versus Akari Chargers 4pm at Sauce Coffee Thunderbells versus PLDT High Speed Hitter 6:30pm. Sunod na laban magaganap March 3, 2026, PhilOl EcoL Center ang venue. Una magtatapatan, Chocomucho Flying Titans versus NX-led Chameleon 4pm at Creamline Cool Smashers versus Galleries Tower High Risers 6:30pm. Next game, March 5, 2026, venue PhilOl EcoOil Center. At syempre una maghaharap ang Signal Super Spikers versus Sauce Coffee Thunderbells 4pm at PLDT High Speed Hitters versus Farmfresh Foxy 6:30pm. Next game magaganap March 7, 2026 at PhilOl EcoL Center ang venue. Una maghaharapan NX-led Chameleon versus Creamline Cool Smashers 4pm, susundan Akari Power Chargers versus Capital One Solar Spikers 6:30pm. Next game magaganap March 10, 2026. Unang maghaharap nga ay ang PLDT High Speed Hitters versus Galleries Tower High Racers 4pm at Farmfresh Foxes versus Chocomucho Flying Titans 6:30pm. Venue PhilOl EcoL Center. Next game magaganap March 12, 2026 sa PhilOl EcoL Center ang venue. Una maghaharap Akari Power Chargers versus Creamline Cool Smashers 4pm at NX-led Chameleon versus Sauce Coffee Thunderbells 6:30pm. Next game magaganap March 14, 2026. Ngunit wala pa itong venue, mag-a-update na lamang ako. Ngunit ang magtatapatan dito ay ang PLDT High Speed Hitters versus Chocomucho Flying Titans 4pm at Capital One Solar Spikers versus Signal HD Spikers 6:30pm. Next game magaganap March 17, 2026, venue PhilOl EcoL Center. Unang tapatan Galleries Tower High Risers versus Akari Chargers 4pm. Susundan ito ng Farmfresh Foxes versus Creamline Cool Smashers 6:30pm. Sunod na laban magaganap March 19, 2026 sa PhilOl EcoL Center ang venue. Unang tapatan 4pm NX-led Chameleon versus PLDT High Speed Hitters, susundan 6:30pm Chocomucho Flying Titans versus Sauce Coffee Thunderbells. Next game naman magaganap March 21, 2026 kung saan PhilOl EcoL Center ang venue. Una magtatapatan 1:30pm Capital One Solar Spikers versus Galleries Tower High Racers. Susundan 4pm Farmfresh Foxes versus Akari Chargers at last game 6:30pm Signal Super Spikers versus Creamline Cool Smashers. Again, ang venue nito ay sa PhilOl EcoL Center, kaya abangan nyo dahil sunod-sunod na yan. At syempre wala pang update simula March 24 hanggang April 28, 2026. At kung meron ng post ang management ng PVL ay agad magpo-post ako, kaya abangan nyo na lamang and mag-subscribe at pahit the notification bell. At ang game nga simula January ngayon hanggang April, medyo matagal-tagal ang labanan kaya nakaka-excite ang mga teams.